Windows 11 is today's topic. Let's go. We have Windows 7, 8 and 10 and, now there are some news and a leaked version of Windows 11. It could be the next Windows sometimes. Windows said they are doing a special announcement on June 24th. This isn't official yet. The leaked version of Windows 11 is live in the internet. If you're downloading it, you're risking your computer or PC. Now let's watch an installation process of the Windows 11 leaked version. Now you saw the installation process. Now let's talk about some facts about the Windows which could be Windows 11. Will Windows 11 be a free update? Windows 11 is the next generation of Windows and it's going to be a free upgrade for Windows 10. There are a lot changes in the interface, also known as the UI. Now let's see a preview of the leaked Windows 11 version. There are a lot changes. For today, that is it. We will bring details about the Windows announcement on 24th of June. Stay tuned.